Hello everyone, welcome to another Inner Life One-on-One video. You know what, I have just a little update here for you guys, just in case you didn't see it. And it's where Eligio is returning his son back to his mother, uh, his son EJ, and she don't sound too happy. Let's see.
You heard, she was like, no, and I want everything. I want all his stuff back. I'm like, damn. I'm trying to take my son. She like, bring him back now. You heard, she was like, no, and I want everything. I want all his stuff back. I'm like, damn, Javine, never mind. I'll take him back. I planted my little seeds. Here you go. Hey, you got the camera? Yeah.
And of course we know, when you looked at my last video, you saw the seeds that he planted. So he basically showing his child how to be a thug, non-working, have as many women as he wants, everything that Eligio is, and nothing good. It's basically, and serve him. Don't forget, he wants him to serve him. Anyways, hopefully his mother was watching it. So let's see him pretty much saying goodbye. Hold on.
Come on, man.
And he really think he did something. I don't know, guys. You know, when I see him walk around now, especially in that house, he looks bottom heavy. He looks like either he's gained weight or he got hips or something down there. He looks real soft down in the hip area. Maybe it's the pants, I'm not sure.
Y'all like that interview? That was good. That was good. We have to break down the knowledge real quick because people don't know why people follow me. They just think there's a whole bunch of drama. They don't know there's a whole bunch of knowledge here. But people don't know that. We can't be, you know what I'm saying, 24/7 throwing pearls to swine. You know what I'm saying? We got a whole bunch of people that do not care about knowledge following our channel, man. You dig?
No, Eligio, we love knowledge. We just don't care about your knowledge. It's twisted.
Hey, Roz is ready? Yeah, I'm sad, but come say bye to the people, huh? You got this. Can you throw this in there? Yeah. Oh, military stuff. Chief, are you going to be doing these 24/7? Yeah, man. I'm setting it up so we can do these 24/7s in Atlanta. That's the secret. Coming back.
I don't want to hear that. He's already pretty much doing it. He's not doing it 24/7, but he's doing it already. So we don't want to get into that. Let's see. And I just want you guys to just check and see this part too. He's like, just see the example that he's setting for his son, his very intelligent son, who could do something pretty good in this society.
And services, let them know what's going on. We're going to go to the police station ourselves. Like, yo, listen, you got this nut ass nigga over here playing games, da 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 da. So if you get a call, you know what it is. Let them keep coming. Because if the police keep coming and there's nothing wrong, keep coming and there's nothing wrong, keep coming and there's nothing wrong, the police is going to eventually going to be like, what? They're going to be like, wait a minute, why do they keep calling this place? They're going to do the research. I'm going to say, sir, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, are. We have a right to our own religion.
Yes, you have a right to your own religion, but you don't have a right to be abusive to the people, to your congregation, and to your members. As simple as that. You see look at the example. He is thug life, throwing in the religion, teaching a child not to go to school, not to be anybody in this society, but build him a house, basically. And the sad part about it, not one piece, not one step, not one little thought as to why this child's mother wants him back, and she wants him back now, as he said it.
Here you go, sir. Follow us online. Get your own perspective. Here you go. Do your investigation. Compared to King, this guy's a saint. I like that part on Malcolm X. Compared to King, this guy's a saint. Everybody saying love you, EJ. Yeah, man. They ain't gotta watch. Everybody gonna take his clips and use that as fucking no evidence, nigga. Shut up. Them little clips ain't shit. You can clip up any.
He don't understand that the clips are so important. These video clips and what he did last night with that little boy, taking away all his hopes and his dreams the way he did, is disgusting and very, very sad, because this boy don't know what to do now. He don't know where to go. I'm sure his mind, he wants to go home. He's just ready to go, I'm sure. He can see his dad is really over the top. Something's going on. You're talking to him. He's making this big thing in front of the camera, talking about the police, and the police keep coming. The police keep coming. That child probably didn't know nothing about that, but now he knows. He knows that this man here is my father, and he's talking about the police, and he's cursing, and he's doing all kinds of, and am I going to be this way, or do I want to be this way, or who knows what's going through his mind? Nothing but another little boy, I guess.
Anything today, and get the fuck out of here. Y'all think those clips? Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, stupid. Those clips don't mean shit but harassment, nigga.
So with this video that he's on now, the camera that he's on now, would that mean anything? Because him recording everything last night wasn't a clip. That was straight recording. And the police and all these authorities are not dumb. They know when a video has been spliced and words have been changed and all that. They know that. So, he's always trying to make people think that they are not going to, that everybody else loves him, but the people on YouTube, police and CPS loves him.
The clips is weird. They weird. This is not the full story. It's a clip. You clipped and edited and bipped and bopped my whole life. Get out of here. You's a weirdo stalker. That's what you are. You're a stalker. And all of y'all that's with world, you're weirdos. But I still love you. You know why? Because you keep my name.
Let's see what he had to say to his child.
You're going to send out flyers. We know the whole neighborhood. The whole neighborhood knows who we are. Whatever you're going to do, just leave out the law. CPS.
So now the neighborhood knows who they are, and they, they know the whole neighborhood. And, I'm quite sure there's a lot of white folks in that neighborhood, and I guarantee you they don't want to know Eligio Bishop. Anyways, and you see how he basically want to mind hack you into believing that you don't call, just leave the authorities out. Whatever you do, just leave the authorities out. I'm cool with it. Let's tell you, send them.
Well, how many times you gonna call CPS to the point they're gonna be like, okay, nothing wrong? Nothing. They're gonna start looking at you. You're gonna put a foot in your ass, right, baby? My son said, I'm talking to people, man. I don't know, like, yo, man, I don't want to leave, B. Like, hanging with my dad, he cool. Yo, let him know, son. So he sad, yo. Oh, he took my keys. Yeah. Take care, EJ. I can't wait to see you, man. Doctor. Man, don't worry about that, son. Yeah. This is not Big Brother, bro. This is not Big.
And you see how the child would be eventually around him, where the child couldn't have his own voice, because when he brought the child up and he started saying, well, say you don't want to leave and say you want to be around your dad, he said everything for the child. The child didn't get a chance to say anything. He said absolutely nothing. So it's a sad situation. It really is. I mean, everybody wants the child to have his father, but his father clearly is not well. He don't understand that in this society, and you cannot offer the child another society other than bumming around, other than doing nothing every day. This child should learn how to build things with his hand and with his mind. And you can't provide that for him. You've been sitting the whole time he's been with you. He's been sitting in an apartment doing what? Playing on PlayStation, listening to you guys talk and do all kinds of say crazy things that he don't understand. Things he never heard before. So, anyways, I think that might be it. Let's see.
Like a mango mystic, nigga. This ain't Big Brother. Wait, don't tell him, son. Word up. We get pop. Wait, feel me? Ah!
What's funny about that? What's funny about that? Mango Missy, don't get it twisted. Being straight up street thug. And this boy is, I bet you, when the boy goes to church, he has on a suit and tie. I bet you his mama have him in a suit and tie when he goes to church on Easter or something. I bet you. And Eligio will go in flip-flops. I hope mama saw what happened the other night, because she got to get prepared for this. This man he messed up his son's head. He really did.
You know what I'm saying? This ain't Big Brother, bro. You feel me? This nigga. You feel me? You feel me? Like, serious. They think it's Big Brother. It's not Big Brother. We said Big Brother style. This is the nigga.
We know it's not Big Brother, I guarantee you. And enough money. Big Brother's apartment, probably.
Version. Big niggas. Wow.
He's just so inappropriate around that child. That boy don't need to be around nothing like that at all.
Big niggas. Wow.
Check made this nigga with 10 seconds left.
Okay. Big bro, this is Big Nigga. This is Big Nigga part 5. Go ahead.
So the only thing that I've seen in this clips or whatever, the little bit that I've seen with the child, was just the indoctrination when he first was talking to him. But in the meanwhile, all the other interaction and all the other talking to other people is, this is nigga and bitch's. I don't even like saying the word. Just nothing positive. Where's the knowledge? There's no knowledge running around there in that apartment. The child wasn't sitting there totally listening to the stuff that he heard was more insanity than, knowledge, how to do things, how to, straighten things up, all of the stuff that he heard from when he was in the car driving to the place. He was talking about, oh man, it's all about homeboy, thug life. That's what it was all about the whole time this boy was with his dad. The thug life, show him how to be a thug. And then he turned around and called himself a real man. And he has no conscious thought about the best interest of that child. He did not take 1 ounce and say, look, maybe I should not say that. Like Eliana was saying the other day about the baby. She was saying, oh, we have to protect the baby's consciousness. You certain things, she don't want to say everything around the child. That's obvious. So, but Eligio, he has no thought of that. He don't understand that you don't pour everything and anything into a child's mind. So he's whew, I hate to say it, but if he continues this behavior, I hope he never sees his son again. And I hope that child can turn his life around and, I'll just go back on I hope his mother can get his head back. As simple as that. Because like Eligio said, he set the seed. He already planted the seed. So he knows that what he said to this child is going to make that child think. He knows he has that kind of power as a father, that he can mess that boy's head up. And he just did. So, anyways, everyone, thank you for coming. I'm going to say good night. Do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you to the new subscribers. I appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.